Hello everyone, Jialan Package here. Today I would like to share with you our new designs on this box. This is a very unique design. See how it opens? It opens like that. Also, when you open it, we can print your own logos in here, and it can be designed for perfume bottle or for wine bottle or for other products that need to stand upright. So this will be a perfect choice for your package. And so when it closes, it can close very neatly. We can do this with normal ivory white paper with printing, and also we can laminate it covered with special paper, like this one. It has very heavy texture to make the whole box looks very elegant and very beautiful. And also this is done with special paper as well. All very looks beautiful and elegant. And if you like it, please let us know. Leave a comment and we'll give you our best price. That's all for today's boxes. See you next time. Bye.